Hey there, welcome to setting up your TWU Handshake. The first way to get to TWU's Handshake is through the Career Connections website. You can access this through careerconnections.twu.edu. Once you navigate over there, right here you're going to click on TWU Handshake. Or you can access it directly by going to twu.joinhandshake.com. Once you navigate over to TWU's Handshake, you're going to want to log in with your Texas Women's University account. Your credentials are going to be your username and password. This is going to be the same username and password you use to sign into things like Canvas or student self-services. Once you log in, you're going to be greeted with the main hub. Your main hub is going to be the Texas Women's University Career Center, which is where you can access all the resources that your Career Center has to offer. Here, you can schedule an appointment with your career advisor. You can look at all the resources there are. You can look at your experiences that you've done, and you can answer multiple surveys. If you scroll down, you can see the upcoming career fairs that will be on campus, as well as other events that will be on campus. Going back to the main hub, if you look on your left-hand side, there will be multiple options. Here, you can look at jobs that will be posted, events, employers, your inbox, and your career center. If you click on jobs, you can see multiple jobs either on campus, off campus, or internships that are relevant to your major and interests. You can also save jobs. If you click on events, you can see multiple events that will be on campus, off campus, or hosted by multiple employers. If you click on employers, you can follow multiple employers to see when they'll be hiring. You can also discover more employers and follow them for events that you might be interested in. If you click on Career Center, it will take you back to that Career Center hub page where you can again access appointments, resources, experiences, and surveys. In the right-hand corner is where you'll have notifications and where you can access your profile. If you click on your profile icon, you can go to My Profile, My Jobs, My Meetings, My Documents, My Career Interests, My Reviews, or your settings. To edit your profile, go to My Profile. As an example, here's my student handshake account with my student profile. Filling this out will be super beneficial because it will help you populate your handshake with different events and employers that you might be interested in. On your student profile, there's a place to put a little bit about yourself. You can also put your school, your GPA, and your pronouns. There's an education section for you to put all of your education. You can populate your interests here, such as roles you're interested in, what kind of jobs you're interested in, where you'd like to work. You can put your work and volunteer experience. You can also see who's viewed your profile. You can list your skills. There's also a spot to list your organization and extracurriculars. You can add documents to your account, such as your resume or portfolio. You can also list all the different courses you've taken. Finally, there's a spot to list all the different projects you've done. To schedule an appointment with your career advisor or to access any other resources, you're going to want to go to Career Center, Appointments, and then schedule a new appointment, and there'll be multiple areas you can schedule in. For career advising, click on Career Advising, and then for me, since I'm a liberal arts major, I would do Career Advising, College of Arts and Sciences at Denton. Here, you can look and see what availability there is. You can also save and register for events on Handshake. For example, there's a TWU on-campus student employment fair. Here, you can save it or join it. You can see all the different employers that will be on campus, and then you can read the description about what the event will entail. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to explore all there is to see on Handshake and take advantage of all the resources available to you.